crossing the street. Quickly crossing the street before the cars hit me. And bikers everywhere. Is that the same one we were at? No, it's not. It's a different one. Time is now 6:30. The boats. I don't think they're doing any tours now. Oh, there's one. Maybe I can catch him. Blah blah blah. How much? How much? It doesn't say. Aha. These places it's only for 1 hour. And seeing as how 6:30, that ain't gonna happen. McDonald's. Let's go to where all the people are. But after these guys cross. Oh, she overtakes him. Change. $9.10. That means I could have gone on the boat. Could have been in the canals right now, swimming, and well, not swimming, riding the boat and chasing the geese. Yeah, bitches.